The smell of the grill has always been like this symbolic dinner bell, and everybody that smells it's invited. Hey, I'm Tuffy Stone, pitmaster, chef, collector of kettles. Anybody out there that might be tired of turkey, I've got a great Cornish game hen recipe for you with a spicy apricot glaze. Let's fire up the grill. All right, so this seasoning I make for my Cornish game hens, and there's 5 ingredients in there. And the reason I like 5 ingredients is it leaves my other hand to be able to do other things besides count. So we're gonna start with kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, Espelette, another fiery chili, some freshly ground coriander, and granulated garlic. Basically, we just wanna mix it up really well and put it in an airtight container. Rubs are really interesting. The longer that they kind of commingle, those flavors actually kind of get better. So I will a lot of times make my rubs days in advance before I'm gonna use them. Now we're gonna make a spicy apricot glaze, which has got some apricot preserves, chicken stock, lemon juice, the Cornish game hen rub. We're just gonna reinforce that flavor. And then this fresh minced jalapeno. And we're just gonna whisk it until they're smooth and well combined. We'll warm this before applying to the Cornish game hen after they're cooked. We're gonna do a process with these game hens called spatchcocking, and basically all it is removing the spine so that these birds will lay flat. It'll make the cooking process a little quicker, so when I pour the brine over top of it, they'll just take in all that flavor. I really am a big fan of brines, and this one's just a go-to. This is the same brine that I use for competition chicken barbecue. Water, salt, sugar, carrots, onions, celery, bay leaf, peppercorns, fresh thyme, fresh parsley. And we're just gonna now pour this flavored liquid over these game hens till they're just covered, and we're gonna let them soak for about 3 hours. Can you smell it? It smells so good. All right, so these Cornish game hens, they're really, really small. They're not gonna take much time to cook. If I were to guess, they're gonna take 20 minutes, no more than 30 minutes. We've got our grill rocking. We're gonna cook these directly over the coals. We're gonna put them down skin side first, 400 degrees. We're gonna lower the lid, let them cook for 10 minutes, then we'll do a 90-degree turn, cook them another 10 minutes, then we'll flip them. So the final step to the game hens that really just sets this dish off is the spicy apricot glaze. And we're just gonna brush that right on. You can see the little specks of freshly minced jalapeno that's in there. It gives it a little bit of kick. They smell good. I'm inviting you for dinner, so come on. All right, here you have it, the finished dish. Spicy apricot glaze, Cornish game hens. You gotta make this dish. Leave us a comment and let us know how yours turns out.